Actually, I wanted to post a shorts, but there is a lot to talk and show about a coconut. So in this video, I'm going to show how to store the cut coconut pieces fresh for months together and few more tips. So stay tuned. In Canadian shops, we generally don't get coconuts with tail. We can use this fibrous part as a scrub for cleaning utensils or cut them into tiny pieces to use as coco peat for our plants. Looks like there is lots of water inside, so how can we waste it? It's so tasty and nutritious. It's always tough to break the coconut, so trick here is hit it hard on the lines like this. I'm going to filter out the water and drink it. It's so yummy. We have to be careful while removing the flesh. One of the coconut halves has a hole at the bottom, so better to place it on the counter while cutting. This shell doesn't have, so I'm cutting it in this way. In India, it's damn simple. We keep the coconut on the floor and smash it with a rock. Don't throw these coconut shells. Simply make a hole or two at the bottom and use it as seed starter. I have shown it in one of my videos. You can find it in gardening playlist in my channel. Let me thoroughly wash these. In India, most of the coconuts have tail and similar size costs maximum 15 rupees. They call the coconut with tail as a puja coconut here, and I bought this at Food Basics for $1.5, which is equivalent to 150 rupees. It will be more at an Indian grocery stores here. I can imagine those raised eyebrows on you. Yes, it's very costly here because it's imported. This is how we store coconut. Keep them completely immersed in water and you can store them in refrigerator. As days progress, the water turns cloudy, so keep changing the water once in 3 to 4 days. By this way, the coconut stays fresh for months together. I'll meet you soon in another video. Until then, bye-bye. And if you found this video useful, hit the like and subscribe buttons. Otherwise, continue to skip.